Hello class, welcome back. I'm super happy that you are here and I hope you are ready to start with this new class and finish this week. So as you remember, yesterday we had a nice meeting at the Zoom class. Yes, we used the Step Inside book. Don't forget that the next week on the same day we are also going to use the Step Inside book. And I'm leaving you the pages of the book so you can know what are the activities that we are going to do and you can read it in advance. But don't forget that you are not allowed to do any activities. You can only read the reading. So, and it was nice to meet you, and I also want to say thank you because you are all doing an excellent job at home with your parents, and I'm so thankful for that. To start, we are going to do a review about the cardinal numbers. I know you know how to count, but are you sure you are able to write their names? Now, we are going to practice the numbers. So I want you to pay attention to the writing because it's super important to know how to write their names. So let's count. We are going to count from 10 to 10 when we arrive 20, 30, 40, etc. So let's count from 1 to 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count from 10 to 10. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So now we are going to go to the board so we can practice the writing from the rest of the numbers. So let's go. Okay, so now we are going to practice the numbers, and it's super important to know how to write their names. So we started and we stopped when we say 20, 30, 40, 50. So how do you say this number? What's the name of this number? I will say it is called 21. Pay attention to the writing because it's super important to write this. This is called dash, okay? Those numbers 21, 22, 23, 34, 35, 46, 47, those numbers that are formed by 2 need to be written with the dash. So also, how do you say this number? This is my age. How will you say this? This is called 23. I'm 23 years old. So I have another number for you. Let's practice. What's the name of this number? What number is this? It is called 38. Let's write its name. Pay attention that I also wrote the dash, okay? Also, another number will be like something like this. What's the name of this number? It is called 99. Okay, so it's easier than you think to write this kind of numbers. For example, this number is called 20, as you know. So, for example, if we want to say 21, we need to use 20 plus this name. 21, 23, 38. What other example? We will say, like, for example, this one. What's the name of this number? What number is this? This number is called 67. We have 60 and 7. Don't forget that the dash is also important. The only numbers that are not going to use the dash are going to be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, of course. So, one other example will be something like this. What number is this? This number is 86. And that's it. So the next classes we are going to be practicing some other numbers. I'm going to leave you some activities so you can practice the writing of these numbers. Don't forget that the dash, this line, is called dash, and it's super important for these numbers. So let's go back. Okay, so right now we are going to do the activities from the student's book, and we are going to use page 22, and it looks like this, and we have 3 activities and we have 2 listening. So it's better that we start right now. And exercise activity 13 says, look and listen, say the numbers. This is super simple. We are going to listen to an audio and I want you to repeat with it. So let's listen to this.
Student's Book, page 22, Activity 13. Look and listen. Say the numbers.
13,
13,
26,
26,
27,
27,
34,
34,
70.
70. Okay, super simple. We can repeat it again, but we are going to start to go to activity 14, and the instruction says, listen and read, write the numbers, and then you have content words. You can find them on the internet. You can look for them in the dictionary. We have bone, jump, kick, move, muscle, and throw. So you can find it on the internet, on a dictionary, so you can have an idea what is this reading about. So we're going to complete by using the numbers that we are going to listen to in this audio. You need to pay attention carefully because sometimes it's like pretty confusing. Let's pay attention. There's a difference between saying 70 or 17. There's a difference saying 50 than 15. Okay, let's pay attention to the audio and we can do it right now.
Student's Book, page 22, Activity 14. Listen and read. Write the numbers.
Playing is fun. When we move, we use our bones and muscles. Bones and muscles help us play. We throw with our hands. Our hands have many bones. One hand has 27 bones.
27.
We kick with our feet. Our feet have many bones too. One foot has 26 bones.
26.
When we throw a ball, we use 34 muscles.
34.
When we kick a ball, we use 13 muscles.
13.
When we jump, we use more than 70 muscles.
70 muscles.
We need to take good care of our bones and muscles.
Was it hard to do? If you missed a number, you can play the audio again. So, we can go to activity 15, and it says, look at 14, read and match. Number 1, bones and muscles. Number 2, our feet. Number 3, when we throw a ball, we. Number 4, when we jump, we. And then we have on the other side, we have A, B, C, and D. A, use more than 70 muscles. Letter B, help us play. Letter C, have a lot of bones. Letter D, use our hands. You need to finish activity 14 so you can do activity 15 and complete the match. You can use different colors, but if you don't have colors, well, it's okay to use your pencil. So now you have Think Big activity, and it says, which activity use our muscles the most? Dancing, using a computer, watching movies, playing basketball, and riding a bike. You are going to circle the answers that you think are the ones that use most of our muscles. And that's it. These are the activities that we are going to do for today. Don't forget to take a picture of this page, write your name and also the date, and send the picture to me by the platform added to the assignment. I'm also leaving you a link for an activity that we are going to keep doing, that we are going to do today, so we can review the numbers. And this is a page, a website, and it's called British Council. It says the activity is called Numbers from 10 to 100, and the instruction says play a word game to learn and practice numbers from 10 to 100 vocabulary. And the instruction of the game says match the word with the picture, and then you have an option in here so you can listen to the numbers or the pronunciation. For example, if you click in here, you can listen to it.
20,
Here,
40, 90, 70, 100.
and etc. So, okay, you need to pay attention to it because it's a British accent and it's different from the accents that we are used to listen to in the student's book or the workbook, but it's similar. So, you need to match it with the numbers. Here we have the numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. We are going to match the names with the pictures. So here we have in red, what number is this in red? It is called 10, of course. So we are going to find its name
10,
and we are going to click on it and place them in here.
10,
The next one, we have this one in yellow. I know this number is called 20. So I'm going to find
20, 20,
and I click on it and I click on the number
20.
and that's it. So you need to finish this activity and that's it. So you need to finish this activity from 100, okay? And you can finish and you can play it again as many times as you want to, as you need to, so you can practice the activity. Try to play this game. It's super easy and it won't take a long time for you. And that's it for today. I hope you play this game and I'll be waiting for you to send me your activities from the book. I hope to see you the next week. Stay safe, be nice with your family, and I'll see you the next time. Goodbye!